Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. First I want to say welcome back, which I did, and welcome to all the new viewers that we have. I'm going to be doing a budget with me, paycheck to paycheck, and this is paycheck number 3 for February. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Those of you who saw my last video saw that it didn't go over very well, but either way, that's neither here nor there. We are in a new week, and it is what it is. All we can do is keep moving forward, just like in the movie of Meet the Robinsons. So if you guys have seen my other videos, I have been using the February budget kit from Sarah Marie's shop, and that's what we are going to continue to use today. So let me go ahead and get it laid out for you guys. I absolutely love her stickers. Probably towards the end of this month, maybe the second week in March, I plan on doing a was it worth it type video on the 3 different shops that I've used budget stickers for. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I think I have a washi to kind of separate that I do. And each one of these sticker kits I'll purchase separately. She doesn't have a bundle, I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure she doesn't. And I don't really like that. Thought we'd be able to get a little bit more bang for our buck, but that is not the case. So okay, I'm actually gonna put the week ending here, which is Saturday is, that looks crooked, week ending 2/16/19. Okay, and this is the last strip that I have for this washi, the thin strips that she offers, which is just fine and dandy. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, and next we have our incomes. As you guys know, we are 2 household income, me and my husband. Yeah, that's gonna bother me, I think, but I'm gonna just have to live with it. We are salary, so we do have a set income, or at least we know what the minimum is. Even though sometimes he usually works 7 days, so you know, it is what it is with him, and he's fine with that. I prefer him not to, but you know, he likes to work, so that's what he likes to do. And I am going to just go ahead and let him do it if he wants to. He doesn't do anything really hard, at least for the most part. So I do use my income. I should put me, and I do put his. Okay, and then let's see, what do we have this week? It's a bit of a mess. So we have Target, car insurance, Amex, Amazon K, and Capital One. So actually no, we just have Target for the 19th. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to be using this one. I really do like her stickers. I like the simplicity of them. They look, you know, very clean, I guess you could say. They go very well with the Erin Condren monthly deluxe and possibly the life plan. I believe they're all the same colors. I do like them, but gosh, they can be, I'm gonna just leave it like that, they can be a bit pricey, I tell you what. So let's go with Target. After Target, we have my daughter's phone. I don't have that down here. She just got her phone in February, so January, so I need to get that down here as well. Our car insurance. And that looks like it. Oh, Amex. Let's see. Yeah, because the rest are after the fact. So I'm gonna go ahead and put savings. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my Capital One payment. Now my Capital One payment is the, I guess you could say, debt snowball, the amount towards debt that I'm paying every month. Every month my goal, and I'll link that video for you guys over here. And that is something that I am trying to do, is pay off each one credit card a month. And it's going to be a little difficult when we get to the thousands, into the thousands I should say, but that is the goal. Every month we should have one credit card paid off for. Oops, I didn't go far enough. Oh no. Hopefully it's not too bad of a difference. No, not too bad. So you guys should check that video out of my debt snowball plan. My apologies for all the noise. There's a lot of traffic for some reason for my, oops, it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna be all right. So I'm going to stick this down here and put some amounts down as well. Those of you saw my last week's video, we had a lot of red going on, so that sucked. My minimum salary is $549.24, and my husband's is $634. Well, both salary $17. All right. Oh no. Oh no, that's ugly. Let's fix that. I really enjoy these pens. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys this pen I'm using. So I don't know how to pronounce that, but I can link it below for you guys. And I love it. It erases beautifully. At work, all we can use is blue pens, so it's kind of what I'm used to using. That's why. And I think it gives it some color too. Yeah. All right. So there's that. Now our Target, we are just paying the minimum on all of our credit cards except for Capital One. My Target is $35. My daughter's phone is $48.39. The car insurance is $145. This is really nice, not having to use whiteout because you know you mess up. $145.60. American Express is $79.83. $50 goes automatically into our savings, and our Capital One payment is $129.15. Okay, our sinking funds is, let's put here sinking funds, and I went ahead and deposited what I had in there. I was going to do bigger bills. I don't know why I drew that line, but I was going to do just bigger denominations because I kind of think, I'm going to see how it goes. See if I like having the cash in the bank, or would I rather like seeing them, you know, in, I don't know why I drew that so long, in my actual envelope and just get smaller denominations. So I'm not really sure. And that's, I think that's going to be $275. And that's going to give us a total of, let's see,
35, 48 and 39, 145.60, 79, 80, 50, 129, 15.
This is $487.97. So we have our expense, at $487.97, and we have sinking funds and cash envelopes at $450, which gives us a total of 7, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry a 1, 8, 9. So that leaves us, so that's a total of $937.91. Okay, let's go ahead and put these totals down here. So $549.24, $549.24 plus $634.17 equals $1,183.41 minus $937.94 equals a potential savings. Actually, let's use this strip because I have never actually used this strip. Let's put that down here, like right here. That leaves us with a potential saving of $245.50. All right, there we go. Hopefully this week will be a lot better than last week. Oh, look at all that red. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna put a sticker down because it is the month of Valentine's, and I have sticker books that I don't normally use. So I know there's a Valentine's theme one. Oh, the very first one. Oh, let's put this one. Bouquet of, looks like roses. So let's put that. Oh no. Let's put that right there. Okay, I want to say these are all the bills that I have for this week. Hopefully it doesn't turn out like last week. Let's zoom you guys out just a little bit. Okay, hopefully it doesn't turn out like last week. All right, well that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, bye bye.